And this is ZLeoo telling you what, you should probably watch Mils Garage.
Yeah.
What'd you do to the engine?
Full bolts on us, long tube intakes, test pipes, spoke cap rack, injectors and fuel pump.
Damn it.
That half mix 50/50 on 85 and 93 pump.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Have you had a dyno?
Yeah, on pump gas she makes 311 two wheels on 85. We're looking at like 365.
Dude, that's fun. And you got it fitted fat. Is it just on spacers or is it full fitted?
That's the 9.5 all the way around, but I staggered the tires.
Beautiful. Oh.
I got the strap on the front. We'll probably do swings on the front and back next year.
Yeah.
Just some more handling, and then I have a full hand. I got upgraded brakes, pads.
Yeah, man. These things look like they'll stop you. Yeah?
Yeah.
They're nice. Who painted this? Yeah?
And at nighttime, everything glows. The entire paint job glows in the dark.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, that is fucking sick.
Usually at nighttime, like car shows, I put like a Buzz Lightyear in there, then I shoot the galaxy, and everything glows.
Good?
I got neon lights in the car.
Word?
Yeah, I got a remote.
Woo! We're all going to get food now. Woo! For guys who truly love their car. Damn right. What's that thing sound like? Aero wing on there. Fuck yeah. Cool, man. Damn right. Yo. What all did you do to the exhaust?
Resonator delete and exhaust delete, that's about it.
Damn right. This sounds wicked, man. Fuck yeah. I subscribe. I got like 4 YouTube channels, so I subscribe to all of them. Got ZLeoo, you better follow him. Delaware VQs. I like these headlights for real. Oh. Should do, boss. I have a question.
What's up?
One of the subscribers asked in the last video that I showed these headlights. What are these called?
Those are called, I want to say,
eBay. Are they?
yeah, they are actually from eBay, but they have so many different names.
So clean.
The only downside is, since one is an eBay light, is the projection. These, especially over here, they're terrible to project out. So
Oh, shit.
when I recommend people these lights is yeah, they're on a budget and all that stuff, but it's either get one of these or save up the money and get the $600 05 to 07 Coupe
Dude,
headlights.
Yeah, no, seriously, the stock ones are fucking expensive.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Markup on them.
Oh yeah.
Because the way that it's honestly a better projector. I had them when I first bought this car, but they fogged up so easily and they scratched up the lens. That's why I had to get new ones.
These ones fogged up?
No,
The old ones?
Yeah, my old ones. Yeah,
That's
The
why
stock projectors.
That's why I didn't even care about dissecting them and blacking them out. I was like, yo, these things are worthless if I don't fix them.
Yeah.
So, what did you do to your car, man?
I did a Motordyne 5/16 plumb spacer,
Cool.
isothermal, of course. I also did recently a NWP 75mm throttle body, Z2 with the K&N drop-in filter. Basically the full bolt-ons minus headers, but the only thing is I did resonated test pipes from Burke, and I did cheap out on the exhaust. I got a Godspeed catback exhaust. I'm looking to get another one either NVIDIA, or if I really want to save the money, then get a Motordyne. I really want
the Motordyne, the
Motordyne is the best.
Yeah.
Motordyne's the best.
I love how you're sitting there saying like you cheaped out, but I'm sitting here saying like, yeah, I'm gonna cut off my muffler and call it a day.
Yeah. Turn signals.
Yeah.
What is it? Instead, where this outer halogen bulb.
Oh, you did the mod where it turns the whole thing and.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
It's called plug and play. I had that for a couple of years now. It's
Cool.
basically a plug and play. It's easy.
Just the
to
wires right back here. You just like unclip it and you plug it in.
Harness. All you gotta do is just plug it in. Other mod that I just did to it recently in the spring was the Team Flexi coilovers.
You got coilovers on this?
Yes, I do. Only did a 1-finger gap.
Cool. Yeah.
And then the wheel spacers, 25s in the back and then 20s in the front.
Cool.
That's it, bud.
And this is ZLeoo telling you what you should probably watch Mils Garage.
Yeah. Exactly.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mils Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.